This is the closed raised herringbone stitch. It's a fun way to fill in leaves or other spaces. You start this stitch by bringing your needle up at the bottom of your shape and making a short little straight stitch down here, like so. Next, we bring our needle up at the top of our shape. Mine is the point of my leaf. And then I am going to slide my needle underneath that straight stitch I made, pull it on through so that thread is flush with the fabric, and then bring my needle back down at the outline of my shape, just to the left of that thread. So it'll look like it's almost like a U right there. Then I find the right side outer edge of my shape and repeat that process. Slide my needle underneath that straight stitch, pull it on through, and go back down on the opposite side of my shape as we start filling in. If you find it's hard to slide the point of your needle underneath that straight stitch here, we can flip our needle around and slide the eye underneath that straight stitch. The eye is a little duller and can sometimes slide through a little easier than the pointed side. But we want our stitches nice and close together so they fill in our shape, always coming up on one side and going down on the other side. Just keep on working as we fill this in here. Underneath our straight stitch and back down on the other side. And that is our closed raised herringbone stitch.